Guys, so today we're at ALDI and I want to see what kind of keto stuff they have in ALDI. I personally don't shop at ALDI. I know that ALDI is like the keto spot for really good keto stuff. I just never really got into ALDI. I'm more of a Publix, Kroger type of person, maybe Whole Foods. So I'm kind of excited to see what ALDI has. And then I saw these keto ice cream from ALDI on social media, and I really hope that they have them because I really would like to try them. So let's see what stuff we can find in here before they kick us out, because they do be kicking people out for recording in grocery stores. I have never got kicked out, but I feel like since ALDI is more of a smaller grocery store, I might get kicked out today, so we'll see. Guys, here we go, and it is raining today. It's like all dreary and gloomy all day. All right, so I'm going straight to the ice cream section, and I think I see the ice cream. Oh, so this is, I don't think this is the exact one. This says light ice cream. The one I saw, it was specifically a keto ice cream, so I don't think they have that one. But let's see, 20 grams of protein. Let's see, so for one serving it has 17 grams of carbs, 4 fiber, which will put you at what, 13, and then minus the sugar alcohol, which is 5, that'll put you at what, like 8, 9ish, I can't count. So I wouldn't say this is keto friendly. You might be able to fit it in there, but it does have added sugars, which I don't like. So good for low carb, but not specifically good for keto, unfortunately. Oh my god, guys, I found the holy grail of keto ice cream. They got cookie dough, mint chocolate chip, which I'm just kind of getting into the mint chocolate chip ice cream craze, peanut butter fudge. Oh my god. Okay, so they only have 3 flavors so far as I can see, so I'm definitely gonna try the cookie dough and the mint ice cream, the mint chocolate chip, definitely. Okay, so there is 20 grams of carbs per serving, 3 fibers, so that's 17, and then sugar alcohols is 12. That puts it about 5 grams of carbs per serving. It says it on here. Okay. Hey guys, just want to come on here real quick and tell you about my 21-day keto challenge that is starting on April 6, 2020, guys. So I know right now we got some crazy stuff going on with the coronavirus, but just because we're stuck in the house does not mean that we can give up on our fitness goals, okay? My 21-day challenge is going to have 21 days of meal plans, 21 days of at-home workouts, plus you get 2 free coaching calls with me. Okay, where else can you get that for only $21, guys? This challenge is only $21. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that link in the description, and let's go, guys. We're starting on April 6th. So you could definitely try to fit it in on the keto diet, but it's best to just stay with Rebel, because Rebel only has 5 grams of carbs for the whole pint, and that one is 5 grams per serving, which puts you at about 20 for the whole pint, which will, if you eat the whole thing in a day, that's your whole carbs for the day. So you could try it, but I would say just stick to Rebel, honestly. Okay, so these things are really cool. So if you do like olives and pepperoni, this would be great. It has olives, pepperonis, and cheese. I'm not a big fan of olives, but in here it has a total of 1 gram of carbs. So this would be a really good snack if you like almonds. They have this one too, but it has sesame sticks, and sesame sticks do have carbs in them. But yeah, these little snack thingies are really good. Like they'll be pretty good, and they're only $2.50 a piece. So just found these things. These look like the ALDI version of the sparkling ice drinks that you get like from like a regular grocery store. And the macros are pretty much the same. Actually, no, these have 2 grams of sugars. Okay, never mind. This actually has 2 grams of sugar. It has sugar somewhere in here. I think the sparkling ice has 0 sugar. So yeah, I guess this is not. I mean, it might. You could probably still fit it, but honestly, just drink the sparkling ice from Publix. So if you like pickles, which I don't like, you can get you a big old thing of pickles for only like less than $4. I really wish I liked pickles, but I just don't. So it looks like ALDI have their own brand of almond milk. I don't know how this tastes, but hey, it's only $1.79, which is like half the price of almond milk at regular grocery stores. You guys, everything in here is like super duper cheap. Like I might have to start shopping here, like for real. So if you like deli meat, which I do, like for some of my keto snacks, I would just eat some of these with some chicken, like some cheese cubes. And these are super expensive at Publix. I mean, like these are probably like double the price at Publix. You got salami here, you got prosciutto, and this is super cheap. When I say at Publix, this is like $6 for this little bit of meat. So you guys, like Kroger is about to be, ALDI is about to be the move, like seriously. But I love meats like this, like deli meats for keto snacks. These are perfect. So you get some of those deli meats and I pair them with this cheese here, or like any sort of like cheese cubes. I usually get like Kobe Jack, but yo, that's the perfect keto snack. And these are like $150, which is crazy, y'all. Like I'm definitely about to start shopping here. Like I can't believe I haven't shopped here before. You guys, I have never seen a bag of sucralose by itself, but sucralose is a keto approved sweetener. I know some people say it's not, but it is. It does not affect your blood sugar. So if you're someone who likes sucralose, hey, you can buy it like in a big bag. I've never seen sucralose by itself. Oh wait, actually no, this is not keto, because anytime you see it with maltodextrin in it, it's not keto, you guys. So I don't know if you can see that, but look at the ingredients. Is it gonna focus? Focus. I'm trying to focus it for you guys, but it's not working. Anyways, this has maltodextrin in it though, so no for keto. This here will be good. So this is a stevia blend. It actually has stevia and it has erythritol in it as well. So these are good sweeteners for keto. So stay away from this one, because this one does have maltodextrin and dextrose in it, which is a no. So they do have almond flour, and this is a lot cheaper. Usually like a bag like this will cost you about between $8, maybe $12, depending on like what type it is. So this is pretty good, and the ingredients look pretty good. I mean, it's just plain almond flour. So yeah guys, like this is like super cheap. And if you like pork rinds, which I love pork rinds, they definitely have pork rinds. They got them in spicy and original, looks like. The ingredients, let's check it out. So it does have maltodextrin in it, which sucks, and dextrose. So eat at your own eat at your own risk. But hey, they got them in here and they're only 95 cents. All right, so I see some trail mix down here. So this has raisins, which is a no on keto, but hey, you can pick them out. This one has like dried fruit in it. This one has like dark chocolate and stuff. So I mean, you might have to pick some of this stuff out, but hey, it's all good. Which one is any of these like keto? All these have fruit in it. Okay, this one might be cool. This one here has peanuts, almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, and pecans. So you want to be wary of like peanuts and cashews, because they do have higher carb content, but it won't hurt you too bad. But these are really cheap as well, $5. All right guys, so the only thing I ended up getting was the ice cream and some of the salami. I ended up getting all the ice cream. I did get some of these because I love these deli meats, and I eat these as snacks with some cheese, and I wanted to see how these taste, and it was only $3.99. And I got this because I love sparkling wine, or sparkling, like anything sparkly, like I love it. I wanted to get their rosé, but it was Moscato rosé, which means it has a crap ton of sugar. This is like an extra dry champagne, which means it has maybe about 1 to 2 carbs per every 5 ounces. So you know, one glass maybe a couple times a week on keto won't hurt you. So excited to see how this tastes. The only thing that I do not like about the ALDI keto ice cream is because, for one, it is very misleading. Okay, So it says 5 grams per serving, which, you know, 5 grams of carbs, not bad. However, when you put all those servings, if you eat this whole pint, it's 20 grams of carbs. So just, you know, don't eat the whole pint. But with the Rebel ice cream or the Halo Top Keto ice cream, there's 5 grams for the whole pint. So, you know, I'm still gonna try it out. See, I'm really curious to see how it tastes. But pretty much this is almost exactly the same as Halo Top. Like Halo Top is like 5 to 7 grams of carbs per serving as well. You know, the only thing they did with this is they slapped keto on it. They slapped keto on the label to make it, you know, to let us keto for, oh, this is keto. This is probably the same type of macros as Halo Top or Enlightened, the regular Enlightened, not the keto Enlightened. But it is cheaper. It is cheaper. You know, this was $3.99. The other pints like this will run you about $5 to $6. So it's cheaper, but to me, it's really not worth the carbs. Because honestly, some days when I'm eating Rebel, I sit there and eat maybe a half a pint or a whole pint, and I don't worry about, oh, am I going to go over my carbs? I may go over my calories. I'm not too much worried about calories at the moment, but I know I can eat a whole pint of Rebel and be okay. This, I would have to like ration, like, oh, I can only eat 1 serving every time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still going to try it out. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Okay, we're back, and hopefully this ice cream is melted. So we're going to give this another try. If it ain't melted, we're going to eat it anyway. So this is the cookie dough ice cream. I mean, it does, I'm not gonna lie, it tastes better than Rebel, but that's because Rebel has a lower carb count. So of course it is gonna, you know, this is gonna taste a little better. But I still think Rebel is better if you're keto. However, this was so good. The one thing that's different about this pint that I just realized was this pint has 3 servings and not 4. So typically most pints of ice cream is broken down into 4 servings. This only has 3 servings. So it's 5 grams of carbs per serving. That means it's 15 grams of carbs for the whole entire pint. Still I wouldn't suggest you eat the whole pint in any setting, especially if you're trying to lose weight. But you know, it's a lot better than 20 grams of carbs for the whole thing. But you know, y'all, this is so good. Hold on, let me get one more bite. My dog is sitting here. You want to say hi? Hey guys, this is my dog Winter. Winter, say hi. You can't get no ice cream, but you can say hi. She's kind of shy. Why are you shaking? What are you scared of? Okay, what you like that? Alright, this is the peanut butter fudge. Why did I even torture myself with this ice cream? Well, as you can see from my face, that is good. So just FYI, it's 19 grams of carbs total. 5 grams of fiber, 2 grams of sugar, and 9 sugar alcohols. So for keto, you're supposed to subtract the sugar alcohols and you subtract the fiber, which will come out to about 5 carbs per serving. This is the mint chocolate chip. You can't have none. Mint chocolate chip, which is recently has become my fave. Y'all, this is more creamier than Rebel, but I think Rebel has a better flavor. This kind of makes me feel like I'm chewing gum. I mean, I know it's supposed to be mint, but this one tastes just like chewing gum. I don't feel like the Rebel one tastes like that. It's not bad. It's just, I don't know. I guess I just like the Rebel one better. So in conclusion though, Yes, they taste good. The ingredients aren't bad. I mean, they do have a lot of ingredients, but I don't see anything in here that would make me feel like it's not keto. You know, this is, the whole pint is 15 grams of carbs. For Rebel, the whole pint is 5 grams of carbs. So you decide how you're gonna do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my ALDI keto finds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and let me know down in the comments what type of videos you guys want to see next. Okay, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Try. 48. Good job. Keep it up. All right, let's keep that intensity, ladies. Try. 50. Woo. All right. That was a good warm-up. Now it's time for the real workout. She doesn't know what's about to happen, but she's about to find out. Good job. Good. All right, you're going to give me one more, and then we're about to crank it up a bit. All right. Down. Good. Give me 2 more. 1 and 2. Good job. Awesome. You got this. Now I have to get you a 50 chop shirt. Right. Hold up. Girl, you know that's not keto, but cheese, got some sour cream, got some steak in there for my protein. Yeah, there you go. Keto salad. So you can't outwork a bad diet, guys. So let's get it.